prayer number 8. My Lord, if I may take you the pleas that we seek in the main petition.
Your Lordship, my client prepared a petition and a notice for impeachment. He presented it before the clerk. The clerk approved of it. The clerk forwarded it to the speaker. The speaker approved of it. And he sent a communication to the petitioner. So that, to the best of the understanding of my client, he has followed all the due procedure.
My Lord, we are not a country that is ruled by sham procedures, by sham processes, and then we want to endorse that. We have come here, my Lord, and these are my concluding remarks, because Article 27(1) of the Constitution says, every person has a right to seek the protection of the law.
The proposed motion by the fourth respondent herein for the proposed impeachment of the petitioner herein, as scheduled in notice paper 1 on tentative business of the third respondent on Tuesday, 3rd March 2020, or as may be adjourned to another date and time, shall not proceed except in strict compliance with the provisions of Standing Order number 67 and 72 of the third respondent. This case will be mentioned 9th March 2020, 9 a.m. or soon thereafter, as will be called out in court to discuss in the cause.